go.
I got you.
No, don't worry. Go, I got you. Don't worry.
Good.
You gotta let go a little bit though.
Okay.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Sunday fun day. My bike's in the shop getting some work done, so I'm taking the shop bike out. Let's go for a ride.
If God give me breath for 20 more years, I see myself changing the world. So I would have to change the world, or I have to be changed by the world.
Own it, yo, you just own it. Cause your body's on fire. Show me how to control it, and go ahead, you flip it.
Yeah, I'm in the real motherfucker feel. I smoke a blunt, freak the fuck until the jealous motherfuckers kill me. I'm out the gutter, pick a hero. I'm 165 and staying out till I die. My confidence is zero, cause I can give a fuck about you. You better duck. Go off before to hit your ass up. I get the fuck up sick inside my mouth. Why they sweat me? It's gonna take an army full of crooked ass cops to come and get me. Niggas know I ain't the one to sleep on. I'm under pressure, gotta sleep with my feet. And extra clips beside my dresser. Work the guard, I've been ready to die. Since I was born, I don't want no shit. But niggas tripping, yo, it's on. Open fire on my adversaries. Don't even worry, better have on the vest. Ain't for the chest, and then you bury. It's a man's work, niggas get played. Another stray, hope I live to see another day. Hey, I'm getting sweating bodies undercovers. Who can I trust? Got my mama special thinking it's a drug, but gotta get paid with all the drama that's attached. We're living the drug life, thug life. These they could be my last, well I blast when it's time to shoot 'em. Don't even ask, that's the consequences when you're living bad. 6 bricks and tricks for my niggas. I gotta come up and recoup. You think the dope is bring me 6 figures? Is it a bus? I hear the sirens, run for cover, over the fence and open fire. Running out of gas, time to park it. Nowhere to go with the lights out, rolling down the dirt road. Running out of gas, time to park it. I'm on foot, we in the hood, how the fuck they gon' catch a crook? Running out of gas, time to park it. Nowhere to go with the lights out, rolling down the dirt road. Running out of gas, time to park it. I'm on foot, we in the hood, how the fuck they gon' catch a crook? These motherfuckers on my ass, I'm in traffic. Will it be tragic? I'm coming down the corner like a magic, doing 90 on the freeway. And hit switches in the high-speed chase with these bump bitches. Don't turn around, I ain't giving up, because they don't want me.
Okay, guys, just got into North Van. We're gonna smoke a joint. We're at the crab shop. We're gonna grab a bite to eat.
In the hood, how the fuck they gon' catch a crook? I got away cause I'm clever. Went to my neighbors for a favor, now you know players get together. I watch the scene from the rooftop, spitting loogies. At the coppers try to sue me. B.I.G. I'll be a hustler till it's over, motherfucker. Open fire when you bust. Running out of gas, time to park it. Nowhere to go with the lights out, rolling down the dirt road. Running out of gas, time to park it. I'm on foot, we in the hood, how the fuck they gon' catch a crook?
Hey guys, got a grub on. Let's go for a cruise.
Rolling down the dirt road, running out of gas, time to park it. I'm on foot, we in the hood, how the fuck they gon' catch a crook? Don't try to follow me, I'm at a lot of stake. I gotta pay my fucking bills, so I'm transporting weight. Change my plate, pick up my nigga, and now we rolling. Drop the keys like they stolen. Tell me who do you fear? I'm out of town to the coast is clear. Enough dope to last a year. They got me running from the police, nowhere to go with the lights out, rolling down the dirt road. But I ain't going to live, I'd rather die to be a convict. I'd rather fire on my target. I hit the corner doing 90. Oh shit, some bitches right behind me. They take a shot and hit my fucking tire. Damn, jump out the car, then I open fire. Running out of gas, time to park it. Nowhere to go
Hey
with the
guys, we're at Kate's Park. They're gonna use the washroom, take a little break here. Check out the new shop bike. Leave a comment, tell me what you think about it. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. This one's really fast, it's light. I like it. Okay, let's keep riding.
I ain't going to lie. I can run faster than that, can't you? They can't fuck with the 5.0. She's something. Come get me.
Okay guys, we're in Deep Cove. We're gonna take a little break here, smoke a joint.
Rolling 3 deep.
Rolling 3 deep today. I'm gonna do a little montage after this, so hope you enjoy it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. I'll see you in a bit.
the street life. Times get hard for a gangster in the street life. See, ain't no telling what my life might see like. As a gangster growing up in the street life. Since I was young, I grew up in the street life. Times get hard for a nigga in the street life. See, ain't no telling what my life might be like. For a nigga growing up in the street life. You can't tell me shit about the streets, homie. I done seen it and done it and lived the real from the ponies out for the money. Homies maintain their composure. Since kids we was always selling dope by the quotas. Now I'ma scold a motherfucker for the chips when I dip the trip on GP. Straight for DP, flip the script. Came up quick and got some riders who got my back. Snoop Corleone, I'm always down to jack. I jack for instant thought, talking walk to walk. Niggas who oppose automatically get stuck. Terrorizing the neighborhood, niggas gaining they breath. Me down, tied and dash, matching for the set. Rest in peace to deceased homeboys who ain't alive. Street life took him over, now he's forced to ride. Slipping and sliding, bouncing, counting my ends to be straight. It's time to run for these days, niggas is great. But the fear is much greater, the innovator, dominator, soul creator, out for the paper. Since I was young, I grew up in the street life. Times get hard for a gangster in the street life. See, ain't no telling what my life might see like. As a gangster growing up in the street life. Since I was young, I grew up in the street life. Times get hard for a nigga in the street life.
Girl, you just own it. Cause you're really on fire.
Telling what my life might be like. As a nigga growing up in the street life.
In the barrel of thug, addicted to drugs, selling keys. Got me risking this street living, catching felonies. How many niggas wanna see me gone? You player haters, bitches who hate to see a nigga on his own. Forever falling, no never falling. Live my life as a thug, nigga. Now can you hear the liquor calling? When we play, niggas blinded. My competition minimum, so I live so criminal minded, nigga. Can you hear me when your pistols in the sky? On a fat ass blunt and broken shit, I better get you high. They wonder why I'm hard to kill, hard to let it go. How can I have fear on my fears, live on death row? Down my belly, 45, but next to my belly. Conversation with my nigga dog, living so deadly. When they come to get me, bringing on me. And now Lord, thug, motherfucker, who can harm me? All these bitches need a track smoking, cause real bad boy killers need a death smoking. Haha, open your eyes and understand this. Bro, they ain't fair, these motherfuckers do it scandalous. Niggas don't wanna see me hot with my Glock out, drinking on here, screaming fuck the world, this is the end, it's the street
I
life.
was young, I grew up in the street life. Times get hard for a nigga in the street life. Ain't no telling what my life might be like. As a gangster growing up in the street life. Since I was young, I grew up in the street life. Times get hard for a gangster in the street life. See, ain't no telling what my life might be like. As a gangster growing up in the street life. Ain't no telling what we all might be like. In the lane and the lost of the street life.
Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog now. That's it for Sunday Fun Day. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.
Doing 90 on the freeway and hit switches in the high speed chase with these punk bitches. Don't turn around, I ain't